Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentino, and is it easy to buy and sell cars on Facebook Marketplace? Like, for example, buy a cheap car that someone is selling, fix it and sell it for a little bit more. So I've been very curious if it's worth to buy a car, fix it and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. And in this video, guys, we're gonna figure out if it's worth the time and it's worth to buy and sell the car and make some money. So I found this BMW 2004 330 X-Drive. The guy posted the car 3 months ago and it's been sitting. He didn't sell the car. I texted him and we're gonna go check the car. I called my brother. I was like, hey, you wanna go check out this car? He's like, yeah, sure, let's go. He's selling for $2,500. I checked the Carfax really quick. I scanned the VIN number and the value of the car is $8,000, but he's selling for $2,500. On the description it says that the car has a check engine light on and nothing else. It's been sitting, so we're gonna go check the car, try to drive it right there and see if it's worth to buy the car, fix it and sell it for a little bit more to make some money. And the type of the cars we're looking to buy is the cars that need some repairs. For example, it needs brakes, it needs a valve cover gasket, it needs a tire, suspension, whatever mechanical issues is, we looking for those type of cars to buy, fix them and sell them as well on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm gonna show you guys really quick the car and then we're gonna start to drive over there and check the car and see if it's worth to buy or not. So this is the BMW. It's a 2004 BMW 3 Series 330 X-Drive. The body looks okay. It has a check engine light on and we're just gonna go check the car and see what's going on and if we can buy it for cheap. And it has only 112,000 miles, so, and I see that it's fully loaded. It has heated seats and I mean sunroof. It's not bad, so we're just gonna go check it. It's only 3 minutes away. We got here. This is the car. Looks like it's been sitting here, right?
It's been sitting for a while, yeah. Needs a good cleaning too.
Brakes rusted. So we're going to test drive the car.
Yeah.
It drives good so far. We're just gonna stop here some more and show it to you guys from outside. What you think?
I think it drives good.
Just need a little bit cleaning. The brakes are
The car
very
has been
rusted.
sitting for a while, yeah.
It's not a bad car. Everything works good. We're just trying to see if we can buy and sell cars on Facebook, make some money, flip some money, guys. And it's XI. It's all-wheel drive, no?
Yeah.
How about us? Did you check? A little bit. Everything works. The windows working. Everything. It's gonna turn all the way and go check. It's not bad. So we found this car for $2,500. We're just gonna go and see if he can give it to us for $2,000. We're gonna try to negotiate a little bit, and I think it's a good car. Will be a good purchase. Hey guys, so long story short, we got the car for $2,000. The car drives perfect. Been driving the car for 20 minutes. Suspension good, brakes good, everything okay with the car. It's just has valve cover gasket leak, and also the radiator, it's leaking a little bit, so I'm paying attention on the temperature right there. But everything okay with the car. I like it. We're just gonna go ahead and order all the parts, change the parts, and see how fast we can flip this car and make some money on it. And also guys, I'm gonna show you, also we're gonna show you if it's worth to buy cars from a Facebook marketplace, fix them and sell them, if you can make money or not. So let's just go step by step and I'll show you guys everything. Let's do it. Hey guys, so how you know, we got the car yesterday. It came with 2 keys, the 2004 BMW 330 X-Drive. And today in this video guys, I'm gonna tell you what I need to order, what we need to fix, and also we're gonna take the car and detail the car because it's kind of dirty. The car came with 2 keys, here, lock, and also the second key, unlock, lock and unlock. The body looks very good, nothing wrong with it, just on the rear bumper it's a little bit faded. I'm gonna show it to you here, but that's nothing. Other than that, the car is very nice. I just need a little bit detail. The car was sitting for like 3 months, and nobody was driving the car. The brakes were very rusted. We drove the car yesterday and it got cleaned a little bit. But let me show you guys what I need to order, and also these 2 things. BMW, they always get loose, so first what we need to do guys, it's a oil change. It was low on oil because the valve cover gasket, it's leaking, and from the back it's leaking. There's some oil, if you guys can see right there. So we need to order the valve cover gasket. The oil was pretty bad, and also the radiator upper hose. The previous owner, he put some patch right here because it was leaking coolant, and while I was driving the car, I stopped to check the radiator. It's leaking coolant as well, so we need to get the radiator, the upper hose, the valve cover gasket, and the left axle, which I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. I'm gonna start the car. Sorry guys, the car started right away. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel left, show you guys the axle. So how you guys can see, the CD boot right there, it's broken, but we're gonna change the whole axle. And when the car is warm, it's leaking coolant. I can show it to you right now, but it's leaking coolant. And also the smoke from the valve cover gasket. Other than that, the car is very nice. New tires, 4 new tires, front and back. And it's fully loaded. It has the power seats, memory seats, and also, what is it, the Harman Kardon heated seats, sunroof. It's a nice car. And no check engine light one. I was driving yesterday and it just disappeared, so it's a good sign. The car is not misfiring or anything. So right now we're going to pick up the parts. We ordered everything. Everything costed us like $390. Radiator, left axle, valve cover gasket, radiator upper hose. We're gonna stop to do a detail as well because the car is in a very bad condition. The seats are dirty, the windshield, everything is dirty. So we're gonna do a detail and then put the car in the garage and try to change these parts, show it to you guys, and we'll be good to sell the car. And again, it's a beautiful car. The windshield is dirty, side mirror right there. So let's get the parts, show you guys the parts and change them. Cleaning the car, guys. I did vacuum. The carpets are very dirty. Did vacuum inside. Just gonna spray a little bit and clean the carpet better. Front. We did the back as well. Very dirty. Hey guys, it got a little bit dark outside, but just wanna finish this car. Oh my gosh, the bottom seat is so bad, you guys have no idea. Finally guys, we got the seats cleaned, the carpets. This seat looks much better than it used to be before, the carpet and the back as well. And I started the car because it's a little bit wet. I put the full heat on. Finally guys, the car has been detailed, nice and clean, sexy. Just look at this. We cleaned the windows, we sprayed the door panel, the seats, the carpet, and yeah, it's much better than it used to be before. Cleaned the wheels, sprayed the tires. We're gonna go and put the car inside in the garage right now and change the parts, the radiator, all cover gasket, the axle.